Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about ACL tricky questions. We can see. So this is the ACL statement. Axis-list 1 permit 103.18.116.68 and wildcard mask is 0.0.3.9. So how many networks it will be permit? So if you know this answer for this question means just pause this video and you have to write down the answer. So after write down the answer you can play this video and you can cross verify it. Otherwise you can just comment me the answer below this video section. Okay friends, we can discuss. So axis-list 1 permit 103.18.116.68 and wildcard bits is 0.0.3.9. So normally wildcard mask means is inverse of subnet mask. So if for example if you are taken class C subnet mask, so class C subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So inverse of subnet mask means, so if it's 1 means you have to change it into 0. If it's 0 means you have to change it into the 1. So default class C subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. That means first 24 bit should be an 1. So inverse should be an 0.0.0.255. But here the wildcard mask is different, 0.0.3.9. So here wildcard mask is inverse of subnet mask. So normally in IP address, network bits that means network portion is always constant and host bit is always changeable. So in case of wildcard mask, network portion represented by 0 and 0 bit will remain constant and host portion represented by 1 will be changeable. So this point what I am saying means if you are using normal IP address and subnet mask means, so subnet mask if it's 1 means that should be a network portion. So network portion is always constant, it won't change in that network. And host bits, zeros are host bits, so that always changeable. But in wildcard mask 0 is because subnet mask inverse is wildcard mask. So in wildcard mask 0 means it should be constant, it won't change. 1 means it will be changeable, so that's why I given this point here. Okay, now in my question wildcard bits is 0.0.3.19. so just write down this wildcard bits into binary format. So 0 first octet is 0, so I put 80. Second octet also 0, I put 80. Third octet 3, so 124 64 32, sorry 128 64 32 16 8 4 2 1. So 2 1 I will put 1, then only I will get value 3. Next last octet 19, so 128 64 32 0 16 I will put 1, 8 I will put 0, 4 I will put 0, 2 1 I will put 1 1. So this is the binary representation of this wildcard bits. Okay, let's take third octet. So this is the wildcard bits I convert into the binary format. First of all I will take it third octet. So in third octet 3, so the binary format is 0 0 0 0 0 and last 2 bits 1. So now 1 in wildcard mask 1 means changeable, 0 means constant. So here binary bits, how many bits is 1? 2 bits. 1 1 is a host bit, is changeable. So 2 bits binary combination is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, now I will write down this one here. So what is the IP address? So IP address is 116. Third octet IP address should be in 116. So the 116 binary representation is 128 0 64 1 32 1 16 1. So 64 32 96 96 plus 16 106 106 112. Then 8 I will put 0, 4 I will put 1. So this last two bits, So this portion is constant. So for an example, so IP address is 103.18.116.68. Okay. So now here in third octet, wildcard bits we already converted into binary format. In that binary format, 1 represent the host bit. It will be always changeable. 0 should be a network bits. It should be a constant for wildcard mask. Okay. So now third octet 1 1. So 2-bit binary representation is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So that means first 6 bits should be a constant. Last 2 bits only changeable. So the first 6 bits I have to convert into the. So already third octet we given the value as 116. So 116 corresponding binary value is 128 0 64 1 32 1 16 1. So totally 64 plus 32 96, 96 plus 16 10, 64 plus 32 96, 96 plus 16 106 112, and 8 also 0, 4 should be an 1. So 128 0 64 32 16 plus 4. If you add another 16, last 2 bits is an host bits. It will be unchangeable. So here I will put this 2-bit binary combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and fourth octet I just mentioned as a y. I did not given any values. First we have to figure out the third octet, then we can go for fourth octet. Okay. So now I will just fourth octet simply I will mention y. So once find out the third octet, then we can go for fourth octet. So now 0 0 again we have to convert into the decimal format. So 103 18, so you can add this value 16. Next 103 18, you can add this binary value, you can add this 1 also. So 116 plus 1 117 dot y. Next 103.18.116 plus 2 118 106.18.116, because this green binary bits if you add it now you will get 116. This orange bits is a host bits, it will be changeable. So 2-bit binary combination I'll written here. So 116 117 118 and 119. Okay. So here we can see. So now let's take the fourth octet. So now x value we have find out, that is third octet we can consider as an x. So we find out the 116 117 118 and 119. So the value written here, now x equal to 116 117 118 and 119. Okay, now let's take the fourth octet. In fourth octet, in wildcard mask we mentioned 19. So the 19 will be written into the binary format 0 0 0. So 128 0 64 0 32 0 16 1 8 0 4 0 2 1 and 1 1. So the red color 1 1 will added, it will get 19 decimal value. So now 1-bit representation is 0 and 1. This 2-bit representation is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. So 2-bit representation, first of all this 1-bit representation is 0, so I will put 0. Next this 2-bit representation is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So in first this 1-bit representation I will put 0 here. Next I will put 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So now I written into the decimal format. So before written to the decimal format, so in fourth octet, what is the IP fourth octet? They given the value as 68. So now 68 you have to convert into the binary format. So binary format 128 is 0, 64 is 1, 32 is 0, 16 is 0, and 8 is 0, 4 is 1, 2 is 0, and 1 is also 0. So 64 plus 4 you will get 68 decimal value. So here this fourth bit and last two bits should be an host bit. Rest these blue color bits are constant, it won't change anything. So that's why I written here green color, I mentioned constant bit. So 68, so 68 means 64, here 1, 64 plus 4, 68. So these green color bits are constant. Already in that ACL question, fourth octet they given decimal value as a 68. So I written into the binary format. These orange bits are host bits, it will be changeable. So these three bits, so here red color 1 and these two bits. So 1 bit representation is 0 or 1 and 2 bit representation is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So I written here, first I will take it 1 bit representation 0, then 2 bit representation I mentioned 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now I just convert into the decimal format. So third octet simply I will put x. Okay, so 103.18.x dot, you can add this value 68, you can add this value 68, 68 plus 1 69, 69 plus 2 70, so you can add this value, you will get 71. Okay, now 1 bit representation, previously I am using 0, here I am using 1, so again you 2 bit representation is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So again you have to convert into decimal format and third octet consider as an y. So 103.18.x dot, so 68 plus 128 64 32 16, so 68 plus 16, 64 plus, so 68 plus 16, 78 plus 84. Next one, you can add this one 0 1 combination. So again you have to convert into the decimal format. So you will get fourth octet 85. So here we will get 86. Here 87. Because already the green color bit is 68. 68 plus 16 84. 68 plus 8 16 plus 1 85. 68 plus 16 plus 2. So 86. So here we can add 87. Okay. So now we find out the x and y value. Wildcard bits is 0.0.3.9. So third octet is we can consider as a x and fourth octet you can consider as an y. So in x value we find out 116, 117, 118, 119, and fourth octet y is equal to 68 to 71 and 84 to 87, because 68 to 71 and 84 to 87. So we find out x and y. Now we can combine these things. So if you are combining x and y value, totally you will get 8 networks slash 30 will be permitted using this single ACL statement. See, using this single statement you can totally 8 networks slash 30 subnet masks will be permitted. So this ACL we can call it as a discontiguous access control list. Discontiguous network will be permitted using this ACL. Now x value 116 to 119. So y is equal to 68 to 71 and another one is 84 to 87. So first 16 x value 116. So first combination is 68 to 71. Next 17 68 to 71. Next 118 68 to 71. Next 119 68 to 71. So this 4 slash 30 network. Next again 116 84 to 87. 117 84 to 87. 118 84 to 87. 119 84 to 87. So using this single access control list, we can permit totally 8 slash 30 network using this ACL. So this ACL call, we can call it as an discontiguous network. So if you are permit this 8 slash 30 network means instead of you are writing 8 single statement ACL statement, using this single ACL, it will permit 8 different slash 30 network will be permitted. That means not contiguous. Contiguous means not continuously, it will be discontiguous. Here we can see 116 68.71, 117 68 to 71, 118 68 to 71, 119 68 to 71. Next 116 84 to 87, 84 to 87, 118 84 to 87 and 119 84 to 87. Okay friends, I hope you can understand this concept. So this question is for you guys. So so the question is access hyphen list 1 permit 103.18.114.128 and wildcard mask is 0.0.0.79. So how many networks it will be permitted. So if you are understand this concept means definitely you will figure out the answer for this question. So just write down the answer below this video section in comment section. Otherwise you can drop me mail to fgowthamraj1@gmail.com. So normally you know standard ACL, extended ACL, time based ACL or reflexive ACL. So in wildcard mask you everyone will know inverse of Sumner mask, but this ACL statement is totally different. So this type of wildcard mask we cannot, so the discontinuous network we cannot implement it in subnet mask. So in wildcard mask only it will be implemented. So 3.9. So we cannot convert into subnet mask. So wildcard mask only support the discontinuous network. So 3.9 is a totally different. I hope most of the people this is they don't know the answer for this type of ACL statements. So I hope you can understand this concept. So this question is for you guys. So just write down the answer below comment section or drop me email fgowthamraj1@gmail.com. Okay friends, thank you for watching my videos. So if you like these videos means definitely subscribe my channel and share to your friends also. If you have any queries also you can ping me. Thank you for watching my video.